One small step can be a huge leap of faith for the Lord. Mundari, a local church member in the city of Manado, Indonesia, decided to make a difference by doing little acts of kindness for people who are visually impaired. He loves to try new things and make friends. After one busy day at work, he felt so tired and decided that he needed a massage. He went to a rehabilitation center for visually impaired people to find out if he could get a massage from one of the students. The center had just finished a training course for a massage, and one of the students kindly offered to practice his new skills on Mundari. During the massage, Mundari started to talk with the student. They talked about work, church, and life in general. Mundari was able to share about his church and the Bible. The small talk grew deeper, and by the end of the massage, the student was very interested in what he'd learned from Mundari. That simple massage began Mundari's friendship not only with the student, but also with other people staying in the rehabilitation center. It didn't take long before Mundari started a ministry in the center and reached out to more students.
The reason why we serve our visually impaired friends is that when Jesus was in this world, He cared for them. He touched their eyes and healed them. Therefore, as Christ followers, we extend compassion to our visually challenged friends.
Mundari learned from his friend that the center allowed worship services for all their Christian students. This created many opportunities for Mundari and his church to minister to the students through medical missionary work and worship services.
We are so happy for the opportunity to reach out to our visually impaired friends here in Manado, especially from the Adventists. They need care, acceptance from the society. The institution shouldn't be the only one responsible for their rehabilitation. This group of people also needs compassion and support from the community, so they can live normally and be accepted by the society. We aim to teach them to live independently after their training in this institution.
The staff and the director for the rehabilitation center are grateful for the activities conducted by the local Adventist church.
The reason why I'm so happy is because I understand that not all visually impaired individuals receive the same attention and care from the community. We're glad to know that Adventists care for us. I know that there are some organizations and churches that visit us here once a year, but the Adventist Church makes it a priority to visit us here regularly.
Outside the rehabilitation center, Mundari took his friendships with the visually impaired to another level. He invited them to come and worship at his church on Sabbath, and many went. It was a wonderful experience to see them singing praises and hymns. Not being able to see is in itself a huge challenge for the visually impaired. Mundari has resolved in his heart not only to share a description of God's beautiful creation here on earth, but also to point them to heaven.
I know Adventists really care for us, and based on our experience, I trust that Adventists are always ready to serve us and be with us.
Please pray for Mundari and the church members who are serving our friends in Manado, Indonesia. Pray for our visually impaired friends who recently joined this group and discovered love, truth, and community through this ministry.